Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Taha. Welcome back to our channel Trade Trio. This is episode 14 of top 5 Forex setups. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe it now and like this video. Well, let me just quickly review the top Forex setups which I shared in episode number 13. So if you want to skip this part, you can skip and watch the top 5 Forex setups of this week. The first one, which I shared last week, is Euro USD. Well, this trade is still active as it was suggested to remain buy on dip because we have a bullish divergence in this pair, and the stop loss level is this 7th May 2020 low. It is still trading above it, and you can continue your position this week. The next which I shared is USDCAD. This trade is running in minor losses. It's all right. You can continue this trade this week and book your profit on the upside. With what I shared last week is to buy when it break above this trend line. So if you have taken long position, then you can continue your long position. It is running in minor losses. It's all right. You can book your profit on this 50% of Fibonacci and then 0.618% of Fibonacci. The next which I shared is Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie was the pick of the trade for the last week as it gave more than 180 pips. The first target is 76,790 and the high it made is 76,727. So just few pips remaining from the first target, and the first target is of more than 180 pips. So remain in this trade and continue your long position. The next which I shared is Euro Pound. Well, buy on dip was suggested, and I personally did not execute this trade because I did not get any bullish sign on this bullish parallel channel bottom. Well, buy on dip was suggested last week, and the pair made high immediately on Monday session, and then we see a fall. Then couple of sessions we see the price is sustaining above it, but you see no good bullish candle on the support as we have this 8 April 2020 candle. So I did not personally execute this trade, but if you have executed this trade, then this trade must have been closed by your stop loss, as the stop loss was this support zone. The last which I shared is New Zealand CHF. New Zealand CHF sale on strength was suggested, and it gave a bounce on 13th April. So if you are in this trade, then this trade is running in profit, then continue your position this week as well. Well, let's jump on to this week top Forex setups. The first one is USDCHF. A long biased in this trade with buy on breakout should be your strategy. This, if you pay attention, this pair USDCHF has been in good bullish momentum as it is making higher highs and higher lows. Currently it is standing on this horizontal level. This horizontal level is very important. As you see the reaction it gave on 16th March 2022 and on 1st April 2021. So this time I am expecting a breakout, and a breakout will if it manages to break above and sustain above it, then you can book your profit on this parallel channel top. The next one is Australian USD. Sale on strength is suggested in this pair. As you can see, it took the rejection from this falling trend line, and we see a good bearish pressure since then. Now do not sell on the current level. You can sell on any strength which it will provide till 74 to 71 or this 74 700 or 800 level. Your stop loss above this horizontal area, and your profit taking level should be this rising trend line or this horizontal level. The next one is Pound New Zealand, and this will be my pick of the trade for sure next week. You see it is standing at very important level. This should be the breakout level. You see the reactions in the past. So I'm expecting a good breakout from here. You can adopt two strategies in this pair, either on breakout or on buy on dip. 23.6% of Fibonacci should be your level where you can add position and maintain a stop loss just below it. Buy on dip or buy on breakout is suggested. The next one is New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD, in this pair we have a sale on strength biased, and you see it is standing at very important level. It gave a reaction in the past on these levels as well. So again, two things can happen. You can either sail on this break below, or you can sail on this strength till 50% of Fibonacci, and then book your profit till 78.6%. The last one is USDJPY. Well, let me share the monthly view, and if you see closely, USDJPY has a high in 2002. In the month of May, it made a high of 128,994. So price is approaching to that level once again. And now let me come back to daily view. This might be the last leg, or this might be the last bullish rally which we can witness in USDJPY. Do not buy on the current level because we have a bearish divergence. Let this sink in, and this let this pair give some bounce till 5th June 2015 high, or this level of breakout, which is 125 900, and then you can maintain your stop loss just below it and book your profit on the upside. Well, these are the top 5 forex setups of the week. Hopefully you like it. Please like the video and leave your comments. Bye bye.